TalkBack is a screen reader from Google included on most Android devices designed to help users who are having difficulty seeing their screen. TalkBack provides spoken or braille feedback for icons, buttons, or text on your phone. In this video, we'll cover how to set up TalkBack, how to use some of TalkBack's most popular functions, and how to customize it for you. You can set up TalkBack when you are setting up your Android device. Turn TalkBack on or off by holding both volume buttons for several seconds, then releasing, and then, when prompted, hold both volume keys again.
TalkBack on. Held volume keys. TalkBack turned on.
If you didn't turn TalkBack on during the initial setup, go into Settings, then tap Accessibility, then tap TalkBack, then tap Use TalkBack to turn it on or off. Or if you have Google Assistant turned on, you can turn on TalkBack by saying, "Hey Google, turn on TalkBack."
TalkBack on. Google Assistant.
The first time you turn on TalkBack, you will be directed through a tutorial that will help you learn the basics. TalkBack uses some gestures that you may already be familiar with if you've used other mobile screen readers. To have items read aloud, you can swipe right with one finger to move to the next item on the screen, and swipe left with one finger to move to the prior item on the screen. You can also touch the screen and explore by dragging your finger across the screen to locate an item.
Phone. Messages. Chrome. Camera. Photos. Gmail. Home. 63° Fahrenheit. Saturday, October 29th. Home. Phone.
Once you've moved to an item, you can activate it by double-tapping with one finger. For example, when you've selected an app icon on your home screen, double-tap the screen with one finger to open the app.
Search contacts and places. Edit box.
TalkBack also allows you to read by characters, words, headings, and various other granularity options. For example, you can read by character to hear a word being spelled out.
Capital S-E-A-R-C-H.
Read by word while editing text.
Editing. Text. With. TalkBack.
Or read by headings to jump between sections.
Los Angeles, California. People also ask, is California cold or hot? What months are coldest in California?
Different granularity options are available for different content types. Swipe right with 3 fingers to move to the next granularity option, or swipe left with 3 fingers to move to the previous granularity option. When you find the option you want, swipe down with 1 finger to move forward according to the selected granularity option, or swipe up to move backwards by the same granularity. For example, to read by word, swipe right with 3 fingers until TalkBack says Words.
Words.
Then swipe down with 1 finger to hear the next word.
Weather in California.
The Reading Controls menu, accessed by swiping left or right with 3 fingers, also contains other options like adjusting speech rate.
Characters. Speech rate. Speech rate 110%. Speech rate 121%. Speech rate 133%.
And swiping up or down with 1 finger can be used to adjust sliders. TalkBack offers many customization options and ways to improve productivity. To access TalkBack settings, tap with 3 fingers.
Read from next item.
Swipe right with 1 finger until you locate TalkBack settings, then double tap.
Copy last spoken phrase. Screen search. Hide screen. Voice commands. TalkBack settings. Double tap to activate.
Using TalkBack settings, you can connect to a braille display, configure an on-screen braille keyboard, customize verbosity options, change which items are in the Reading Controls menu, or customize gestures. Now that you've perfected navigating with TalkBack and customized it for your needs, you can continue using it with your favorite apps. To get more help with TalkBack or to learn about performing specific tasks, check out the Help Center at g.co/help/TalkBack.